Hey everyone! If you've ever worked with scaffolding, you know how important stability and safety are, especially when you're working at higher levels. Today, I'm taking a closer look at the MetalTech 14-inch Baker-style scaffolding outriggers, a popular choice for enhancing the safety and mobility of scaffolding systems. Let's dive in and see if these outriggers live up to the hype. First off, getting these outriggers installed is super straightforward. Here's how you do it. Unbox, you get 4 outriggers, 4 caster wheels, and locking pins. Align the outriggers with your scaffolding base, insert the pins, and lock them in. Install wheels, pop the casters into place, secure them, and lock the wheels when ready. You'll be set up in minutes, no hassle. Now, let's talk about the build quality and features. Rock-solid build, powder-coated steel for durability with a bright yellow finish for visibility. Added stability, extends your scaffolding base by 14 inches, making it super steady. Smooth mobility, 5-inch double locking caster wheels for easy movement and a secure lock. Alright, here's the moment of truth. What's great about these outriggers, and what could be better? Let's look at the pros first. Pros: improved safety. Stability is noticeably better, especially with stacked scaffolding. Easy to use, simple setup even for beginners. Versatile, great for pros and DIYers alike. Now, it's time for the cons. Size considerations, adds bulk so maneuvering in tight spaces can be tricky. Compatibility, only works with Baker-style scaffolding. Let's have a look at some of the customer feedback. After carefully analyzing pros and cons and customer feedback, we have rated it a solid 4.7 out of 5. Most users love the added stability and ease of use. Just double check it's compatible with your scaffolding. If you want safer, steadier scaffolding, the MetalTech 14-inch outriggers are a no. They're durable, easy to use, and perfect for anyone working at height. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, these outriggers are worth it. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If this helped you out, hit that like button and I'll catch you in the next one.